Mats Magdu. We are the children, the children of God. Come, come, come. We change our world. We have what it takes to do it smart and make it smart. Welcome to our Smart Do.
Hello, grade 4 pupils. How are you? It's my hope that you are fine, and I'm fine too. We are looking at the topic digital devices, whereby we say digital devices are those. A digital device is a tool or an equipment that can convert information into words or into figures or into symbols or into pictures. We looked at some various parts of digital devices. For example, we said we have the phone. A mobile phone is a digital device. We looked at an iPhone, an iPad. We looked at a tablet, a camera, a radio, television. Those are some examples of digital devices. Now today I want us to look at parts of digital devices. And our digital devices that we are going to look at is a desktop computer. This is a desktop computer. A desktop computer consists of 5 main parts. A computer is found in offices. A computer is also found in some homes. There are some homes which have computers in their homes. There are some homes which have computers. What is the function of a computer? The function of a computer is a digital device that one can type information. A computer stores information. That information can also be retrieved, or it can also be gotten in some time to come. Its function is to store information. So a computer consists of various parts, like you can see on the board. We have the mouse. Mouse is this small device here. The function of the mouse is to move the cursor. This is what we call the cursor. A cursor shows where the information or a text is to be written. It shows the position of a text. This something moving here is what we call the cursor. So the function, you can see, once I move the mouse, the cursor is moving. It can move to this part, it can move to this part. So a mouse is a device that is used by the hand. It is moved using the hand, and once it is moved, it shows the position of the cursor. It shows the position of the cursor. You can see the way I'm operating it from here. This is now the function of the mouse. Then we have this screen here. This screen here is what we call the monitor. This is what we call the monitor on the board. The monitor is just a screen that displays information. This is now called the monitor. In the monitor, that is where the information that either you are typing, where it will appear. So the monitor is a screen that displays information. Then we have this other part here. This is called the keyboard. It consists of numbers, that is A to Z, and numbers that is 0 to 9 numbers. Then it also has buttons, which are letters A to Z. It also has other functional keys. These are called the keys, and all this is called the keyboard. The function of the keyboard, I said it consists of numbers and the letters and other symbols which are used to type. These are used for own typing. So if you want to type anything, on the computer, you have to use the keyboard. You use the keyboard. If you want to type anything, for example, your name, you use the keyboard to type. And the information that you are typing is displayed on the screen using things we call cables. These are cables. A cable is a wire. Cables are wires which are connected, which interconnect for example, the keyboard has a cable that goes to the monitor, to the CPU. This is called the Central Processing Unit, the CPU, this device here. The CPU is a device, or the Central Processing Unit is a device that controls all other parts of the computer. So everything that you feed here is taken to the CPU, and then it is displayed on the monitor. So those are the parts of the computer with their functions. I said we have the mouse. The function of the mouse, you can see, the function of the mouse is to move the cursor. This thing moving on the CPU is what we call the cursor. The function of the mouse is to move the cursor. Then this is the monitor. The monitor is a screen that displays the information that is being typed. This is the central processing unit, the CPU, which controls all information that is being typed on the computer, or it controls the other functions, the other parts of the computer. Then we have the cables. These are the wires which are connecting the parts of the computer. So those are the parts of a computer. Then you can also have a printer. This is the printer, whereby the information that is being typed will come out through the printer. Still, it is connected to the CPU and the computer. So those are the parts of the computer. We shall continue looking at more and more parts of the computer. Thank you.